Newly revealed documents appear to link President Trump's personal lawyer, Michael Cohen, to payments from a Russian oligarch with Kremlin ties. The lawyer for adult film star Stormy Daniels claims the Russian billionaire paid Cohen roughly $500,000 through a shell company.
The record shows several payments to Essential Consultants, LLC, that attorney Michael Avenatti calls suspicious. Essential Consultants is the same firm Cohen used to pay Daniels to keep quiet about an alleged affair with Mr. Trump in 2006. Jeff Pegues is in Washington with the revelations. Jeff, good morning.
Good morning. CBS News hasn't been able to independently verify Avenatti's claims as he questions why the payments were made, but Avenatti says Cohen misled banks and federal officials in receiving them. Cohen is already under investigation following raids at his home, hotel room, and office in New York early last month.
I mean, this is a big deal. I mean, he had to have been receiving this money for something.
In a 7-page document, attorney Michael Avenatti claims that from October 2016 to January of this year, Michael Cohen's firm, Essential Consultants, LLC, engaged in suspicious financial transactions totaling nearly $4.5 million. Those transactions, he says, included roughly $500,000 from Russian oligarch Viktor Vekselberg through the U.S. company Columbus Nova. Cohen created Essential Consultants in October of 2016 and used it to wire $130,000 in hush money to Stormy Daniels to keep quiet about her alleged affair with Donald Trump. Avenatti claims the funds from the Russian oligarch, quote, may have replenished the account following the payment to Ms. Clifford. Vekselberg was one of several Russian oligarchs sanctioned last month for his close ties to Vladimir Putin. In a statement, his spokesman said Vekselberg has never had any contractual relationship with Mr. Cohen or Essential Consultants. Columbus Nova told us the claim that Viktor Vekselberg was involved in or provided any funding for Columbus Nova's engagement of Michael Cohen is patently untrue. Avenatti also details payments from several major corporations to Cohen's firm in late 2017 and early 2018, including nearly $400,000 from pharmaceutical giant Novartis and $200,000 from AT&T.
I'm CEO of Novartis.
President Trump held a dinner meeting with the incoming Novartis CEO in Davos in January.
I don't think it's a good deal for the country.
And he has been a vocal critic of AT&T's potential merger with Time Warner, which is currently being sued by the Justice Department. Former federal prosecutor Jennifer Rogers says Cohen could spend decades in prison if the payments are found to be illegal.
He could face bank fraud. There's a suggestion by Avenatti, at least, that he may have lied on his forms to an FDIC-insured bank. And also, if he really is taking money from someone he knows to be Russian, then he's possibly acting as a foreign agent.
Michael Cohen has not responded to our repeated requests for comment. AT&T told us that Essential Consulting was one of several firms that it used to provide insights into understanding the new administration. Novartis said the payments to Cohen's firm were focused on U.S. healthcare policy matters and preceded the current CEO. Novartis also revealed in its statement that it was contacted in November of last year by special counsel Robert Mueller regarding the payments to Cohen's firm and has cooperated fully with the investigation. All of this suggests that the special counsel's investigation is months ahead of the news cycle and moving quickly. Gayle.
All right, Jeff Pegues, thanks.
You know, the oligarch and the adult actress get the headlines, but I want to know what these companies were buying. You know, President Trump campaigned on draining the swamp. When you pay for that kind of access, that's heavy swampland behavior.
And a lot of money.
That seems very opposite to draining the swamp, doesn't it? The plot thickens there.